Natural energy, or renewable energy as it's sometimes called, is all about using smart technology to transform that natural energy into something useful, like power or heat. For example, solar energy takes the heat or light from the sun. Here we have an evacuated solar tube collector, transforming heat into hot water and providing 60% of our hot water needs. Another natural energy is air. One of the UK's biggest energy resources is wind power. Here at Core, we also have a number of air source heat pumps. Heat pumps work by extracting heat from the air to heat buildings. They work a bit like a fridge in reverse.
Another natural energy is water energy. We can use this water energy through rainwater harvesting systems, also through wave power through our oceans, and also through small-scale hydro from our rivers.
Another key natural energy is earth energy. Here at the Core, we have a number of technologies that use this. We have 2 boreholes, 110 metres deep. They take heat from the earth, upgrade it through the heat pump, and transfer this to underfloor heating for the building. Another useful earth energy is through using wood. You can use logs, wood chips, or in this case, wood pellets. Pellet boilers like these are extremely efficient and can integrate with existing heating systems. Staff from AP Chant have been helping clients integrate renewable energy technologies into their homes and businesses.
I'm David Everest from Everest Construction Limited, and we're involved in constructing energy efficient buildings. Behind me you can't see anything, but there are 3 boreholes going down to 100 metres each, which carry higher temperature water into the house. And then the heat from the ground comes in through these pipes at about 8 to 10 degrees centigrade and passes into the heat pump. And in the heat pump, the temperature is raised for showering and underfloor heating throughout the house. These are the pipes from the solar thermal heating panels which feed down into the hot water tank.
Hello, I'm Roy Price. I work for Magna Housing Association. We're a social housing provider in West Dorset, providing homes for about 6,000 people. We certainly don't see renewable energy as just for the rich select few. We see it as an affordable alternative to other forms of heating in our properties. We've done a number of piloted schemes with air-to-water heat pumps, and the first results from that is very positive and providing good thermal comfort for our tenants.
Our vision for the Core was to create something that you could walk through the door, you could see, listen and experience all these renewable technologies. We're going to offer you sound, honest advice. We're not going to try and sell you something that isn't going to work. We're going to go into it in great detail. We're going to deliver you a quality job from start to finish.
My name's Dan Clist. I'm the Renewable Technology Manager here at AP Chant, which I suppose in realistic terms I'm the details man. I look at a project in terms of its feasibility, both its technical feasibility to make sure the technology actually works in the application, and also the financial feasibility, looking at paybacks, incentives in terms of the feed-in tariff and the renewable heat incentive.
What we wanted to do is we wanted to get schools involved, we wanted to get people in higher education involved, and just bring it to everybody in the community, make the whole community aware of the way forward in renewable energy.
I think it's a great example of green growth. It's bringing jobs to Bridport, and it's also enabling people to have ecologically sensitive forms of energy, and many of which are particularly relevant in a rural area where we often, for example, aren't connected to gas. I think it's clear that as the costs of renewables come down, and they are coming down really quite sharply, we'll get to the point not very many years from now where we don't need to subsidise them and they form an enormously important and continuing part of our energy mix. And we need that because we need a diversity of supply, and we also need to make sure that we're not emitting carbon.
The time for renewables is not in the future, it's right now.